Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going in the woods. Oh la! Let's go to the forest, let's go to the woods.
There's just these dead caravans around here, and these strange tubes. Nobody knows what they do. Look at this.
Down here. Because he was scared.
There's a motorway right there.
So, which way should we go?
Well, I don't know. Do you reckon there'll be any planes flying over? There's a railway track, like right there. Not railway track, what am I saying? See that? Down there, that's where the planes come in, that's why there's those strange lights.
Oh, it was right. So, once again we're just going this way.
Is this called vlogging?
Yeah, it is.
We're doing a vlog! In the woods! What's the vlogs? Do you talk about your day in a vlog? Or are we just going to have an adventure?
Oh, not a vlog. Vlog is writing, vlog is video.
So what's happened today?
What did we do? No idea. I scraped my knee.
Oh, how was that?
I was trying to find Harry and I couldn't.
Did you enjoy the experience?
Yeah, it was great. That's why I was a whole mountains. And because I was holding a mountain glass.
Oh man. I have not scraped my knee today.
And because I was holding a mountain glass as well.
This is just all out with my parents. This is my parents' back garden, right?
Technically, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I got hit by a tree in the face.
Okay, so there's, if you go down there, go more than down there, and then go down there, there's like a little place that Harry didn't want to go.
Why not?
Because he was too scared.
What was it?
It was just a little passageway, so we didn't see it.
What if there's psychopaths and murderers around here? Oh, it's too sunny to be a horror film, isn't it?
Yeah.
What kind of film is this going to be?
Vlog film?
Huh?
A vlog?
A vlog film?
Yeah. That's what we call it nowadays.
Oh, look, there's poo.
Yeah.
Something that you can enjoy on your walk in the woods. What kind of beast was it? Let's smell it and poke it. I'm like... I'm like that guy in that show. Bear Fryer.
What?
Bear Grylls.
Oh.
And he touches poo and he runs around. That's what he does. TV show. I got an idea for a TV show. I'm gonna run around touching poo. Got it, Bear. Your name's Bear? What are you cooking? Grilled food.
Wait, if you have like a restaurant, it was like a grill restaurant, it would be called Bear Grylls.
It would be called Bear Grylls Grills.
Yeah, actually it would.
Bear Grylls Grills Bear. That's what you can buy there.
Okay, so it's like somewhere down here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
The Christmas trees. It's like Christmas Valley here.
Oh, yeah.
Cool. Let's go down here. Off the beaten track. Oh, wait. I think this goes back to the caravan side place.
Go this way then.
This way then. I don't know.
Okay. La la la. Can't see anything.
What do you mean?
Like, I can't look at the camera because of the sun. We need a proper camera.
Yeah, we do, don't we?
Yeah. Your phone is cool. Yeah.
This is an improper camera.
Down there. This isn't very, like, commentated, is it?
Oh, right, we're supposed to be talking. I'm walking right now.
So we didn't go that way. Harry was too scared.
To go that way?
Yeah.
Because in case a plane lands on you. Did you go this way?
No, I wanted to. Harry didn't.
Oh, let's go.
I got to here.
Alright.
And Harry said, let's go back.
And she was never seen again.
What?
Where are you going?
Down here.
I haven't got my high heels on. Oh. You've... You're already dressed for action.
I know, I'm right.
We made it.
I have an idea.
What?
Oh yeah, you have work tomorrow, don't you? Never mind.
Cool.
If you do have work tomorrow,
Yeah.
you need to camp out here.
Can't just camp out here, that would be fun.
It would be.
Set fire to all this stuff.
But you have work, so.
I always have work.
Go to the bee. I hate bees. Bees are scary.
You're a bee racist. Don't be racist.
Oh my
Don't be racist.
God.
Tell me a joke. Shall I tell you the joke Mum told us over there?
Yeah.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
To get to the idiot's house. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Chicken.
Do you get it?
I thought it was funny. Oh, this tree melted.
What? Oh, fine. Bee, bee, bee!
Oh, it's going to be like that time when all those bees just came out of the ground.
Oh, yeah.
We're just, oh my god.
I thought they were wasps.
Spiders. Look.
I know.
We need to find the trail. I didn't come equipped for this sort of thing. My filming is amazing. I think I'm mostly filming the sky. Whatever that is. Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah.
That was a loud fart. I mean, steps on a frog.
Oh look, I found a trail.
Oh, good.
Oh look, there's a mouse.
Let's go that way.
What are you doing?
Nothing. We should write and direct a film out here. Huh? Dad.
A new Blair Witch.
No. I hate that film. A dad and his daughter go aimlessly wandering around, pretending they're filming a vlog. And during the vlog, they talk about making a film. And at the end, they upload it to YouTube.
We do have to find our way back.
And then the dad becomes Queen of England.
I don't really think it's true, by the way. We have to get back.
Oh, that's true, we can go this way. Oh, look, we're on the wrong side. Oh no, we're on the right side.
What do you think we'll have?
Always look on the bright side of life.
I don't know if I play that.
Aeroplanes! Calling all airplanes! Let me one right round. That's what happens. You enjoying this 11-minute, 46-second vlog so far?
Yeah, it's cool. More adventurous than the one in Paris.
Oh, was it? Oh, it must be boring. I won't watch it. Oh, mind. So, what are your views on the Brexit negotiations?
I don't know what that is, so I can't say.
My hero and saviour of mankind, Donald Trump.
Wow!
What do you think about his role in the future apocalypse and
I'm
the
for
death?
Obama.
Yeah, I'm for Obama as well.
Obama's the best.
Bomb!
Oh! I thought that was an aeroplane.
There was loads of aeroplanes earlier.
Yeah, no,
Oh my
look.
god, it's the moon!
Oh my god!
Probably can't see that on here. See what? in the sky. And there's the sun. It's the big bright yellow thing. You've probably seen it before. Don't need to point it out to you guys, smart YouTube followers, all 26 of you. We had 35 views on our last video. Getting there, man.
What was the video?
I don't know.
Was it the Japanese one?
Oh.
No, it was the Maverick one.
Oh god, I didn't even watch that.
Okay.
So we're approaching a meadow.
Yeah.
You can tell it's a meadow because
It looks like a meadow.
it looks like a meadow.
Oh, there's cows here. There's no cows are evil.
Huh?
Cows are evil.
Cows are evil.
Yeah.
Let's find a cow. Well, there's been plenty of poo, and look, hoof tracks. Could have been a horse.
Probably.
Wait a minute, what's this? This might be evidence. Ah, we're looking for a horse who likes microwavable French fries. Must be a French horse. An American French horse.
There's always someone doing microwavable French fries out here.
Well, there's probably microwaves growing around here somewhere. Look!
What?
An aeroplane!
Ah.
Wait, let's get us in the foreground. Quick! Quickly! Right, this is going to be the shot. Look, come face this way.
I can't see.
It's going to come in right here. Oh, you want to watch the plane? That makes more sense. Tilted wing! Give us some tiltage! Wait, where is he? I can hear him. I feel like I didn't actually film that. I can't see him at all. He's there. See, landing. So, hopefully you heard it.
It wasn't as cool as I thought it would be.
No, well that was just a little prop like plane. If it was like that big, what was that thing? That really loud army plane that was flying about.
Oh yeah.
Wait, I think I see a wild microwave. Oh, it's okay, it's just a danger high voltage box.
We have to find one of those wild microwaves.
It's never gonna happen. Wild toasters, 10 a penny. Wild microwaves, now out since 1963. It's went extinct in the old refrigerator wars of
1998.
Yeah. Oh, that was a good year.
Not many of you know that, but the freezers won.
They did. Ah, bastards. Oops, sorry. It was an emotional time. I lost control of my vocabulary. That we're silhouetted, that means like, oh, day is dawning, the video is coming to an end, look at us, all dramatic. Look, they're walking in.
There's more horse poo.
Oh man, I dare you to lick some.
Oh,
Hey,
no.
it's just wet hay. Ow, I got pricked. Oh, it's disgusting. Do you want to close up with the poo? Oh man. Sickos. Oh! Nearly fell over. I sense wildlife.
That bird sounds so cute. Actually no, it's not a bird. It sounds like a wild microwave.
No, I think it's a wild modem trying to connect to the internet. Sorry man, no dial tone. Nobody's gonna get that.
Nobody dabs anymore. Apart from you.
And what film were we watching? Oh, Doctor Who. Missy dabs.
Oh yeah, she did. What was she saying? She was like,
I'm Doctor Who.
oh yeah.
Because we've run out of ideas and we're doing the Doctor Who joke. I think this. Oh, I killed the master and that's how he became me. So I could get older and kill me to become me.
That's really weird.
Doesn't work.
No, it doesn't.
You messed up, Doctor Who writers. Stupid. You can't touch yourself. I mean, not like if you're a time traveller you can't. You shouldn't do it anyway. But if you're not a time traveller, it's not as dangerous. I think I see some cows, people.
No.
Huh?
No.
Microwaves.
No.
Ding! Just speaking their language. No what?
I think they're rainbow horses. Oh, that's where they came from.
No more hot chocolate for you.
Look, you can see the slave dog. Not anymore, but there was some.
I can hear it. Release the slave! Damn it. Making friends in the wild. That's what you should do. Oh, brambles. Careful with the brambles. Oh, glad we did this. Ah,
What?
I've got some of these natural papers.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes they grow. Oh no.
Some spiky. It's dangerous.
I think this is where the chips go in.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, it is. So we have more of these.
That means that there's more wild microwaves around here.
There must be. There's evidence everywhere.
Yeah.
God, if we find a wild microwave, I am going to crap poo myself. I'm going to be so happy.
What happens if you microwave a microwave? Like you get big one and put small one inside it?
We'll find out in another video. We should upload that video that's just me and you eating donuts for 10 minutes in silence. We then never put that one up. I just
The
want
one that we made them first, or the one that we bought the Krispy Kremes and then just eat them?
No, not the ones we made. We just bought some donuts and sat there and ate them.
Yeah, we did.
Just want to thank the cameraman for all of his hard work. Oh. Thank you. That's okay. You shouldn't have let go of the camera. Put yourself a cameraman.
His name is Greg.
Greg. I like your pies, Greg. Got too many fingers and too many pies. Greg.
Got an itchy foot.
Do you have any wise advice for the viewers? Something deep and meaningful and prophetic even?
If you find a wild freezer, make sure you leave it alone. Don't approach it. It's dangerous.
Yeah, I heard that. So I think I saw that printed on a billboard somewhere.
Yeah.
Don't approach freezers.
They are extremely dangerous. They killed almost all the wild microwaves.
Collateral damage, it was the fridges they killed most of. Was it a freezer-fridge war? I forget.
No, it's freezer microwaves.
That's quite because one wants to make things hot really fast and the other wants to make things cold really fast.
It's not really fast, it takes like a knife, so it's really annoying.
Yeah, but that's why the freezers are so jealous of the microwaves, because they...
Oh yeah, they take forever.
It's like, come on man, it's taken ages to make this cold, now you're just making it hot again real fast. That's what happened. Oh, it's the adventure. What? Wait, society? We made it back to reality.
You're never going to find any wild microwaves here.
What is this place?
Don't know. I've never seen this before. Whoa. Oh my god, what is this? Poor slave dogs.
What's that? Is that... No, it's just another...
Where are all the microwaves?
Oh, where's that sign gone that says slow children?
Oh, they went away.
Oh man.
Oh man.
There's more wild dogs.
Oh yeah.
Oh, rainbow unicorn ponies.
Yeah. Rainbow horses. But they don't have any slave dogs, so it's fine.
So that was the end of our adventure.
Yeah, it's pretty random.
I hope you hated it.
Like, comment, and maybe subscribe if you want to.
Just somebody else's videos. Bye.
Bye!